All right. Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, rather, whatever time it is for you. And yeah, we got some good snow tonight. You can see it out there. Want to get the tractor pulled out of the garage. We'll put some fuel in it. We got to go put the plow on it, and we'll do some video of some plowing. That'll be kind of fun. Yeah, appreciate it. You guys enjoy. Pretty exciting, right? Fueling up the tractor. All right, so we got to take the grapple off, which you'll see the grapple's on here, which is fine for the woodworking, but want to get the bucket on here. So we'll record that process too. Bucket makes it a little bit easier when you're doing some detail work on plowing. That was kind of fun. The camera totally crashed from the tripod, so yeah, it is what it is. I wanted to show this. You don't see this too much online. Kind of fun to show new tractor stuff. So hydraulics are here for the third function valve, and drives a pretty simple grapple, open, close, right? So yeah, it's see if I do it one-handed. Nope, we're gonna have to do it two-handed, but yeah, basically it's quick connect, come right off, and then when you get the hydraulics removed, you just clip these up, and it's unlocked, so when we're ready, we can just drop it right on this pallet. So let's see. Yep. I just leave them sit right up here. Perfect. It's a lot easier getting them off. Sometimes there's pressure and you can put them on. It's a little tricky, so let's see if the tripod's gonna fall this time. Just like that, and then we'll pick up the other one. All right, the good news is you didn't get to see me have to scrape ice off of the bucket because it was all iced up, and it's cold enough that my phone battery died recording it, so it is what it is. But I got the bucket on there, so again, the whole process is we just skip it up, and we just scoop it up, and then let's throw these levers here and shove the pin down there, and that's all that holds it on there. Super easy. So all right, yeah, so we're gonna get the plow over there by the barn, and yeah, All right, friends, we're gonna get this thing hooked up. Can't make fun of me because it's not fair. I'm not good at it. This is it's kind of annoying to get everything lined up, but you see the process. Here we go. We're all set. And we'll show this. So I like to run with the plow and the blade moving the opposite way. Like the curl is away from where I'm dragging it. It doesn't dig into my driveway as much, right? I got a gravel driveway. And yeah, and that works pretty good. And then I'll show you how I turn it from side to angle when we're running the driveway. Cool. All right, so here I'll show you, it's all snowy, but icy too. The pin pulls out and then the blade can tilt, right? I haven't pulled it out yet, so, oh sweet. I thought it was gonna be all iced up. So let's do it this way. Cool. So we're all hooked up. Probably took what, 6 minutes or 7 minutes, but I'm gonna try and shoot some video while plowing, and we'll see how this goes. All honesty here, we're just faking it till we make it. So you guys enjoy. A couple down and back, so I'm gonna set the time lapse here and see if we get some cool video with that too.